and why? I'm gonna begin with that beautiful... Oh wait, actually, sige, dito na lang sa likod muna. Yung pinakabata. Hi, Therese! Ay, ka na muna. Parang yung mga nasa likod naririnig. Does she have a mic? Go ahead, Therese. One word. Feeling.
One word. Revolutionary.
Wow! Bakit?
One word lang po. Thank you.
Bakit nga? Ikaw naman.
Masunurin po ako eh.
Okay. Nag-revolution ka din ba habang nag-filmmaking?
Well, ever since naman yung the whole trilogy part, like what Direct Gerald said, the fact that he was able to curate, create, and produce along with TBA yung trilogy of historical figures, that in itself is already revolutionary. But here in Quezon, grabe, we were able to really raise questions that are meant for us viewers to ask afterwards. And I think the biggest takeaway, walang spoiler. Anyway.
Okay, wag.
Yes, but I think the biggest takeaway from me here is the experience that the audiences will get to experience afterwards. That's the revolutionary part for me.
Yeah, wag natin iwan sa sinehan ang experience. Angeli, what's one word to describe Quezon for you?
Heartbreaking.
Ay, bakit?
It was heartbreaking. The first time I read the script, it broke my heart. Hearing it in the script, at the script reading, broke my heart all over again. You know, so I can just imagine how the audience will feel kapag nakita namin yung collective experience namin after we did this, after we collaborated in this insanely beautifully written story. Thank you po, Rodi Vera and Gerald Ara. It was heartbreaking for me kasi yikes, ang nerdy kapag sinabi ko to. Kasi when I was a kid, I really loved history.
Nice.
I was one of those kids na tatandaan ko talaga yung dates, the names, etc., etc., ganyan. And as a child, parang biglang nag-flashback kasi sa akin yung mga pangalan, yung mga petsa. Tapos, now I understand kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng lahat ng inaral ko back then. And it just broke my heart. Kasi sabi ko, ito pala yung ibig sabihin ng inaral ko dati. Meron akong mas malalim na pag-uunawa ngayon sa kung anong meron tayo sa kasalukuyan. At, kaya, I mean, hindi ko naman sinasabing heartbreaking siya in a bad way. It's like heartbreaking because it kind of opens you up again, you know. So it makes me care all over again about our present history, about our present situation, about our country, about every fellow Filipino. So that is really why I want people.
Okay lang, but that's why heartbreaking. That's why it's your choice of words.
I want people to watch this film.
Ayan.
It's moving.
That's why we're promoting it. Lahat sabihin October 15, manood sa cinema. Thank you for that, Angeli. Thank you for that heartfelt answer. I'm going to skip to the other lady in that row. Anna. Anna first. Sige, ladies first in the back. One word, why?
One word. Intense. For me, it was intense. Because it roused feelings that, I guess, just brought up feelings. I think because the set for me was so real. Every time I'd go into the set, I felt like I got back there, and it roused feelings more of actually about women in those days for me. I'm part of a family that I guess pushed the envelope forward, and I also felt that it was a man-dominated time. But I also felt that our director wanted more from his women, wanted to show that we weren't just that we deserved more. I don't know, I just felt that even though the scenes were short, my scenes were short, but I just felt that Gerald wanted something in those scenes that will show how the women had to control themselves during that time, but they were also full of intensity and passion and life. And and women now are also going through that. So for me, it was intense feelings. I remember there was a scene when Gerald directed me to sort of find your way. Can't be as strong as we can talk now normally in a conversation, even if it's your own home. So yeah, I went through that, I think, kind of language. And I kind of felt for a while how women felt then, how they had to maneuver their way, make their space a bit small, but still be the one behind, be a power, be a force. So yeah, that was interesting as an actress, and as a woman, yeah, it was intense to be brought there. Because also our locations were crazy beautiful, and yeah, our production design was amazing.
Thank you.
Please watch.
Thank you. Let's hear from the boys in the back. Joros, please, yes. One word.
Chururut hey hey.
Chururut hey hey. Bakit?
Maraming hindi nakakaalam ng word na yun. So, knowledge.
Define.
Knowledge. Dami seryoso eh. Knowledge. Kasi kung paano binuo itong pelikulang ito, alam naman natin lahat, knowledge is power. So, dito sa storya nito, it's about power. How you control it, how you apply it, how you get it. So, ang ginagamit natin dito is knowledge. So, alam nyo na yan. You have the power.
Kaya knowledge, alam.
Ha? Yeah, basic knowledge.
Kung hindi nila alam, alamin nila.
Oo. Malalaman ninyo. Kailangan ng mga tao yung knowledge kung kailan ito ipapalabas through you guys.
October 15.
Yes, October 15.
Thank you for that,
Yes.
Joros. Si Aaron naman. Si Aaron.
Please have knowledge. Thank you.
Thanks, Joros.
Thank you, Joros. Thank you, ma'am. Para sa akin, truthful siguro masasabi ko sa pelikulang ito.
Okay.
Kasi bago ang lahat, ginawa ni Direk Gerald to, wala kami dapat i-filter. Ayaw namin nag-filter at gusto namin ipakita kung ano talaga ang pagkatao ni Quezon during that time. No? So, para sa akin, truthful. Dahil lahat po ng mga information at data na pinasok ni Direk Gerald dito is pawang may katotohanan lamang. Malamang sa aking character bilang Joven Hernando is just a fictional character, but then again, I was able to justify Joven Hernando and show it to people that this is Joven Hernando. It signifies the youth right now, and somehow it connects to the young ones, young leaders like me. At it's just, I am grateful and proud to say that from General Luna and up to Quezon, I'm still part of this family.
You completed the trilogy then.
Oh, sa tatlo talaga, ma'am.
Wow. What a journey.
Because you have the knowledge, sabi nga ni Joros, and we all have the power.
Thank you for that, Aaron. Shifting gears for Jake and Karil. Sige, ayan, we're slowly making our way down. Shifting gears lang. I hear nga, speaking of connection to the youth, galing daw kayong nationwide tour for Quezon. We also went through mall rounds in an election campaign and sortie style. Diba? Nakita ko yun sa social media. Diba? So, Jake and Karil, were there memorable responses from the students, people around the malls? I'm sure you were able to chat with them. Sige, Karil first.
Nauwi kami sa Quezon kasi doon na Casa Esperanza ni Mama, na-vlog ko pa. Nakakatuwa na talagang we had 1,200 students on the first day, nung Saturday. Tapos on the second day, taga Candelaria, Quezon naman. Siguro makikita mo talaga, paulit-ulit naming sinasabi na part sila ng film kasi they were there in Tayabas, Quezon. So sila yung mga talent na kasama namin. Kita-kita mo sa mukha nila, sa attitude nila that they love Quezon so much. And I think just seeing all the students there together, ang tatapang ng mga tanong nila.
Very good.
Nakakaba, di ba, Ben? So, may kaba factor kasi ang laki ng expectation nila sa mga generation natin. So, we have to level up because the youth is really there.
I think that's what Joros was saying. Knowledge nga is power.
Knowledge is power, oo.
Nag-aaral sila. Nag-aaral.
Matapang din sila.
Very good.
At ang mga katanungan nila.
Yan ang future ng Pilipinas. Nakikita naman natin ngayon really how involved the future generation are. Wonderful. To you, Jake, you were saying may isang magandang katanungan yung isa sa mga students.
Yeah,
Would you like to share?
One of the things na very memorable nung tour namin, actually, the whole tour is very impressive kasi you're reaching out dun sa mga tao, no? Tsaka yung mga forum, napaka-alaga pala no, para makonect sa mga tao. And one of the things na lumabas na question, one of the students, tatalino ng mga bata, is that sa character mo, anong gagawin, kung anong iisipin ng character mo sa nangyayari sa politika ngayon.
Wow.
And that really, I think we were kind of shocked that we heard that kasi nag-isip muna kami bago magsalita. Usually we're very, very easy to, sige na, sagutin na natin ito, magpakengko.
It made you all
We
think.
really had to think, wow.
And dig deep, because that also really means nag-research din kayo sa mga character nyo. Whether fictional or talagang someone you portrayed in his, historical truth. So,
I'm not going to give you that answer now.
Why not?
But as my character, as Manuel Nieto, probably, I mean, we look at what's happening in our country and you say, you will feel that you are moved and engaged. You want to engage in what's happening. You want to be part of history, the right side of history. I think that's just common sense. It doesn't matter if it's our character or me. That's how I think about it. Thank you.
Thank you.